Today I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink to a certain place in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large notebooks and want to jump directly to specific sections or paragraphs without endless scrolling. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, you'll need to access the hyperlink creation tools. Look at the top part of the menu and click on Insert. From the Insert menu, look for the Link option and click on it. This is your gateway to creating custom hyperlinks within your OneNote workspace. Once clicked, a link window will appear. This is where you'll define both what your link says and where it goes. Start by entering the text to display in the provided field. This will be the visible text link that appears on your notebook, so make it descriptive enough that you'll remember what it links to. Then add in the link you wish to attach in the address field. Now comes the important part. At the bottom of this window, you'll see options to select which page or notebook you wish this hyperlink to appear in. Click on the plus button beside the notebook from your list to expand it. This will reveal all the pages and tabs within that notebook. Take your time here to navigate through and find exactly where you want your link to go. Once you've made your selection, click OK and your hyperlink will be added to your notebook. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can actually link to a very specific location within a page, not just the page itself. To add a hyperlink to a certain place, you need to first define that certain place. Do this by highlighting a text line from your notes, the exact spot you want to link to. Then right-click on that highlighted text. From the context menu that appears, you'll see an option called Copy Link to Paragraph. Click on it and the link to this specific text or certain spot will be copied to your clipboard. Now simply paste this link into your address field when creating your hyperlink. This defines the exact location you want the link to jump to. When someone clicks this hyperlink, it won't just take them to the general page, it will jump directly to the specific text you've defined. This precision makes navigation through complex notebooks incredibly efficient and saves you from having to scroll through pages looking for the right section. And that's it. You've successfully created a hyperlink that jumps to a specific place in your OneNote notebook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.